Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Sora, in particular Sora 2, which is fairly newly released, to make AI generated videos. I've only figured out how to do this on a computer, so a desktop or a laptop. I'm yet to figure out how to gain access to the Sora 2 smartphone app outside of the US. So if you are outside of the USA, you're going to need to fire up a VPN. I can recommend NordVPN as they are a sponsor of this channel, and anyone who uses my link will get 87% off. If you just want to get, say, 1 month, you can get that for around $3. It's very cheap and easy to use. So this is NordVPN. I'm just going to say that I am in the United States. From here, we just open the browser and go to Sora.com. I'm going to show you how you can create a video from scratch. I'm also going to show you how you can remix somebody else's video. Before you can create an account, you will need an invite code to Sora 2. You can get that from the OpenAI Discord server. I've created a whole video showing you step by step how you can get an invite code. Once you sign up, they give you your own code, which is good for 6 uses. Unfortunately, all of mine have been used up. So if anyone has any that they want to leave in the comments of this video, you can leave your code for the other people watching this video. While you're here, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. So once you've got access to the Sora 2 app, it's as simple as going down to the bottom here and creating a prompt for the video that you want to create. Under the settings here, you can have the portrait orientation for a vertical style video like TikTok and Instagram, or a landscape for the YouTube. You can also select 15 or 10-second duration. I'm just going to make a fairly simple prompt here. I've just said a cat looking at an iPhone scrolling through videos of other cats. It will allow you to create 30 videos a day, and currently there is no cost to use Sora. So I'm going to go ahead and generate that. And you'll notice that there are watermarks, that there's like 3 watermarks that appear in these videos. I also have created another video showing you how to remove those watermarks pretty easily. I'll leave links to all these videos as well as the link to sign up to NordVPN in the description of this video. So if you want to see the videos you created, you just go over to the left here and you go to your profile, and then any videos that you have created will be under this drafts section. So you have to click on that. So if you found a video that you really like and you want to remix it, so this is a chicken on a drone, you just click on the video and watch it. And then up here, you can like it, but then this little one is remix. So if I click remix, I could just describe the changes I would like to make this video. I'm going to say, instead of a chicken, there is an orange cat, no music, no lyrics, just the cat meowing. So I'm going to go ahead and generate this video, and then each video usually takes about 30 seconds or so to generate. So I'm going to pause the video and I'll have a look at those videos that we have generated. So let's have a look at that remix of the chicken on the drone. Here's the cat on the drone. So you can see the videos are very lifelike, and once you remove those watermarks, a lot of people on Facebook and TikTok, these are going viral because a lot of people think that they're actual videos because it is so realistic. Then to grab the video, you just click on it and you hit the 3 little dots and you select download. You can download that to your computer, and then you can upload that to YouTube or whatever you want, or you can send that to your phone. I use AirDrop on the Mac, or you can just email it to yourself. They're pretty small files. So that is how you use Sora 2. I hope you found this video valuable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.